a technician walks into your store looking for a CV axle, they want a part that fits right, installs cleanly, and holds up under pressure. That's exactly what our CV axles deliver. Unlike remanufactured axles that reuse old parts, every TrakMotive axle is 100% brand new, built from all new materials. No cores, no returns, no compromises. They're manufactured in a state-of-the-art ISO certified facility using OE quality materials and processes to meet our Exceed OEM fit, form, and function. We use a precision machined solid steel shafts, premium neoprene boots for superior flexibility and durability, and stainless steel band clamps to prevent stretching or leaks over time. And for the tech, each axle includes all necessary hardware and grease and features OE-style details like flat spline designs, 8-ball sockets, and heat-treated cages and bearings, all engineered to reduce noise, vibration, and harshness. That's the kind of attention to detail that gives installers confidence and makes your recommendation one they can rely on.